In today's video, we're delving into a thermo control valve failure issue that might be affecting thousands of 2019 to 2021 Subaru Legacy, Outback, Forester, and Crosstrek vehicles. Stay tuned as we uncover the details of a potential class action lawsuit and what it means for Subaru owners. Before we get into the details, let's briefly discuss what the thermo control valve is and why it matters. The thermo control valve is a crucial component of your Subaru's engine cooling system. It helps regulate the flow of coolant to maintain the engine's temperature, preventing overheating and potential damage to your vehicle. However, some Subaru owners have experienced issues with their thermo control valves failing prematurely, causing serious engine problems. These issues can be costly to repair and have left many Subaru owners frustrated and concerned about the reliability of their vehicles. Sauder Schelkopf, a law firm, is investigating this class action lawsuit on behalf of individuals affected by this issue. They aim to hold Subaru accountable for the expenses incurred by vehicle owners for parts and labor. The lawsuit alleges that Subaru knew about the thermo control valve issue and failed to take appropriate action to address it. If you drive a Subaru model affected by this defect, we strongly encourage you to take action now. If you want to learn more about the Subaru thermo control valve failure lawsuit, please visit the link in the comments section below. Or, go to Google and search for Sauder Schelkopf Subaru thermo control valve failure. This search will lead you to the most recent information and how you can potentially be a part of this important legal action. Don't wait. If you're affected, your voice matters. And this could be your chance to make a difference.